Okay, today can't stress enough the importance of the theme today is sticking to your high time frame bias, which we're talking about 15 minutes and up. So, as we assessed the market this morning, let's say 6:15, here's what was showing. You had FVGs on both sides. You also had a 4 hour. You had a 2 hour up here and a 4 hour. So I did pretty good with looking through and marking levels. I marked this 1 hour level here. I marked this 1 hour level here and 1 hour level here. And then I know that I marked up here a 4 hour. I didn't mark this middle part, even though price ended up hitting it. So as you go lower, I think what I'm seeing now is significance of drawing trend lines for the 15 on what might have happened overnight. And I'm learning that overnight, if there's a 15-minute trend line break, price is going to react to it in the morning. So whenever there's a 15-minute trend line break, you make sure you draw out the last S&D of this move, which is here. This is a demand zone on the 15. Draw out this last one, and if price comes down here, expect price to react around it. Originally, I had actually came and marked this down here, and I think I'm still correct. So as you can see here, this is fine. This 1 hour was here just to notate it. As we go down into the market, lower levels, now let's say it is 6:30 is hit. So now we wait for something, right? We wait for any of these levels to give us a reversal. But remember, our higher time frame is bullish, right? So I'm actually supposed to be just looking for buys, which is a mistake I made today. This even gave me a sign here with a FVG, a 3-minute FVG. Give me a sign. Once again, what I should have done is I'm waiting. Yes, price hit this one, but it hasn't hit down here, and I know that the higher time frame is bullish because of this trend line is telling me. Remember, when a trend line hits overnight, usually it will probably manipulate and touch that last supply and demand S&D of the trend line break before pushing higher to a 4-hour level. Okay, so in this case we continued, and I did place a trade here, as you can see. It was the first BPR, and yes, it's an entry signal, but my bias is wrong. That's what it is. My bias is wrong. And so it looked like it was going down, only for it to tap the last S&D of the move, and push higher, stopping me out. I think at this point I should have known that this was going to be bullish. But I think I was so focused on strictly my entry model, because it presented again, as you can see, there's a FEG, inverse. So I entered, the price is going down, but quickly rejected by the 3-minute FEG, stopping me out. What I should have done is taken this here as a sign. Here, there's a burger structure here. I should have done my 50% to come down here, come back up, or perhaps maybe I could have entered up here, but that would have been a bad risk to reward. So you see price kept pushing higher. And remember, it pushed all the way to the 4-hour level. So based on my entry model, it's wait for a higher time frame, which is this, in the direction of your bias. And what you want to do is you either have a triple bar on a 1 minute, which was here, or BPR, which was here. So let's just say I entered on a BPR. Or started on a triple. Come with a low. And I'll target. First of all, I could have targeted this 1 hour. But remember, to a 4-hour level. This one is a consequent encroachment. CE. And a nice 3-to-1 risk to reward. Probably would have been scared to do so, so maybe I would have done it here, honestly. 1 to 3. Okay. So anyways, one of my scenarios is check for higher time frame bias. In this case, there was a reversal overnight. The trendline broke overnight. So in this case, you draw your last point of that move and expect price to interact with it in the morning. All right.